Welcome to another exciting 5-minute ICC auto pairing game. So let's go for the auto pairing, and what will this bring? Okay, so how many title plans are on at the moment? 60 title plans on at the moment. Ginger is the top one. Is that Ginger GM? Someone else? No, maybe. Right, let's try Sicilian fence. Maybe dragon variation or something. Or let's go with, actually let's go with V6. Sometimes it's really asking for trouble. The pawns
check
exchanged. Sharp open Sicilian, I mean, more tactical, dynamic game can ask for trouble sometimes, but I'd say with this exchange of the light square bishop, this is interesting. I can get that e5 square, I can play e5. I'll play e5, even though d5 is slightly vulnerable here. Try and push through d5 at some point. Try and play knight c5 and queen c6. There's always knight g3 though. So I think I really want to push through with or even b5 for b4 quick. Yeah, I think b5 here. It takes, I've always got c2. Trying to damage his control of d5, that d5 square. Okay, so I'm setting some problems here. Yeah, I'm gonna play this. I think I'm worried about rook a7, maybe just queen b8 or something. So knight b5, I think queen b8. So I'm on the knight and on c2. And I'll take, yeah, because e4 looks to be vulnerable. Whoa. And queen's off as well. This looks fantastic.
check
So I think rook c2 now. It's threatening rook e2 if, you know, if it protects rook e... No, it protects rook e1. Maybe just d5, d4. Gains a lot of space. Okay. I think I'll take that.
check
Maybe d5 here, there's f6. So maybe f6 first, but there's rook d1. Oh, rook a8's pinned. Yeah, and f6 just bishop f8. I think this pin's too tempting to pass up. So f6, bishop f8. Pin and win. Right, now d5 I think looks great. d4. Oh, right. If I take here, I can take here. I think I've got to be careful of my king, so maybe f6 for a moment. Oh yes, he's getting some sort of dangerous mating net woven. Right, as long as I control c5 now, you can always come to another square. It's a little bit on the dangerous side. So how about just, I don't know, rook c8 for a moment, then use my centre pawns. I'll do this. I don't want this pin against me. So these two centre pawns, connected pass pawns in the centre, probably going to be handy, and get my king out. Okay, so I can start to get my king out. Also e4 check, try and get the pawns going through, but get my king out, I think would be cool. Yeah. Right, I'll protect this one. Don't want to take because of rook a8.
Check.
Right, so I think just get these pawns going. Well, bishop h4 check, and then what is f4? What's wrong with f4? Pawns are a big problem now. e3 coming up. I think it's the end of the game now. These pawns are just too... Oh yes, okay, he's resigned. Okay, yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Comment or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.